Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Unlock the secret to a surprisingly tender, budget-friendly beef roast. Spoon roast, sometimes called chuck tender, comes from the cow's shoulder, offering a lean, robust flavor. Despite its initial toughness, slow cooking methods turn it into a wonderfully tender cut you can literally eat with a spoon. It's an economical choice that delivers incredible taste and texture, perfect for a satisfying meal. Get ready to master this often overlooked cut. Preparation is crucial for a perfectly tender spoon roast. First, pat your roast completely dry with paper towels. This ensures a golden brown crust when searing. Next, season it generously on all sides with your favorite blend of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and maybe some fresh rosemary or thyme. Finally, in a screaming hot, oven-safe pan, sear the roast on every surface until it achieves a deep, rich brown. This step locks in flavor and creates an amazing texture. The magic truly happens with low and slow roasting in the oven. After searing, place your roast into a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow it to roast uncovered for about 2 to 3 hours. The exact time depends on your roast size, so focus on tenderness over a strict clock. You are aiming for an internal temperature between 185 and 195 degrees Fahrenheit, which ensures that melt-in-your-mouth, fork-tender texture we desire. Once cooked, the next step is just as important: resting. Remove your tender roast from the oven and tent it loosely with aluminum foil. Let it rest for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. This crucial period allows all those delicious, concentrated juices to redistribute throughout the meat, guaranteeing a moist and incredibly flavorful slice. When ready, carve against the grain into thick, even slices. This simple technique enhances the tenderness significantly, making every bite a delight. Now that you've mastered the spoon roast, it's time to enjoy your culinary creation. This rich beef pairs beautifully with classic comfort sides such as creamy mashed potatoes, hearty roasted root vegetables, or a crisp green salad. Don't forget to deglaze your pan to create a simple, flavorful pan sauce from the drippings it's liquid gold. Plus, any leftovers are fantastic for sandwiches, stews, or even beef tacos the following day. Enjoy your delicious, tender meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.